Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus, and today I will show you how you can customize the side key feature. So I'm talking about the double press of the power key. As you can see right now, we can open the camera with that, but I will show you how we can change it. So at the first you have to tap on the settings. Next we have to move for the advanced features, then tap on the side key. As you can see, we can quick launch camera, open Bixby, or open up. I think that the last option is the most interesting. So for example, when you are using your device and you have to, if you want to real quick open one of the app, I think that we can try to make it with YouTube. We can link that up with the key. So just take a look right now. What is going to happen when we double press the power key? We can very fast open YouTube. And yeah, if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.